In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the zoomed in screen on your iPhone. If you've ever found your screen stuck in zoom mode, it can be frustrating. Let's go through the steps to resolve this issue. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app. It's the gray icon with gears. Go ahead and tap on it. This app is where all your iPhone settings live. You'll find it handy to know your way around here. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Accessibility option. It's usually listed under the general settings, but you might need to scroll a bit to find it. Tap on Accessibility when you see it. Accessibility settings are vital for customizing your device to better suit your needs. Now, under Accessibility, locate the Zoom option. It should be near the top of the list. Tap on Zoom to enter its settings. From here, you can control how and when your screen zooms in. This is important because it gives you control over an often surprising feature. In the zoom settings, you will see a switch to turn zoom off. Go ahead and tap this switch. Once you do, your screen should return to its normal view. This ensures that zoom is disabled and your screen remains at its default size. At this point, you might wonder how to prevent zoom from turning on again unexpectedly. Let's address that next. Return to the main settings menu by tapping the back arrow at the top left of your screen. This will take you back to the accessibility options. Now scroll down until you find the accessibility shortcut option. This is where you can customize which features are quickly accessible. Tap on accessibility shortcut to proceed. This shortcut allows you to enable or disable features with a few clicks, saving time. Within the accessibility shortcut menu, you will see several options. Look for zoom and you might notice it is checked. Uncheck zoom by tapping on it. This change prevents accidental activation of the zoom feature through the shortcut. With zoom turned off and the shortcut unchecked, your iPhone should no longer zoom unexpectedly. Test your screen by navigating around your device to ensure everything looks normal. You will notice that your screen remains at its intended size, giving you peace of mind. Thank you for following along. Remember, these steps not only fix the current issue, but also help prevent it from happening again. By taking the time to adjust these settings, you are enhancing your experience with your iPhone. If you encounter this issue again, you now know exactly what to do. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Practicing these steps will make you more comfortable managing your device's settings. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Have a great day and enjoy using your iPhone.